Jesus blessing children. This is a very beautiful gesture. This is something which is in congruence with what we are feeling today when we are trying to put children in focus, and sometimes children are now in the focus, and they were not in religious affairs in the center of the community. They were important, yes, but they couldn't take part of them. They were not considered by taking decisions, everyday decisions, religious decisions, and so on. So now Jesus, by this gesture, is also challenging other of us, our exclusions that we take today by taking our decisions, by our behaving towards other people, whom we are considering and whom not. And I would like to take as an example Janusz Korczak, a famous pedagogist and also the doctor of ghetto in Warsaw, a famous author of books for children, and he was taking in this ghetto, based on his diaries, all this dirty work together with other people. They had not said this is something which other people less positioned will do, and I will do only the white work. No, I will do everything. And he let other people which are lower in the hierarchy participating in the decisions of this house that he was leading for children, orphans, orphanotrophy. And moreover, he was also all the time saying thanks to the people who were, for instance, dealing with washing the house, with cleaning the house, which were usually not considered like a shadow, because he thought they have important maybe observation. They gave the word, the observation, the value to people who were outside. And I think that this gesture of Jesus is asking us to consider in our decisions, in our views, in our behaving, people who are put outside. And moreover, maybe also this aspect of our personality, this aspect of ourselves, should like not usually considered. This aspect of me are less important. Who is saying that? Maybe this aspect of ourselves have something to say, tell us, which would help us to lead better life. So I think through this example, Jesus also telling us that sometimes we have to be outside. We have to put ourselves outside to let people, to let other having space, which usually don't have, to put ourselves together with people who are outside. And I think that the example I have provided from Janusz Korczak is this one, to put ourselves sometimes outside. Thank you.